Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be building a gaming PC for the first time. I'm super excited and I can't wait to build it. All links will be down below in the description and as well as an optimized spec of this PC. So without further ado, let's begin. And we got instructions, IO shield, and SATA cables for my storage, and the motherboard. Let's take it out. Okay, now, oh yeah, the zip tie is tied to the foam. Gotta cut it open. And the last one. There you go. Now, time for the CPU. I went with Ryzen 5 2600 that I bought like 2 years ago. And I don't want to go to waste it, so might as well just use it, right? Take out the CPU. There it is. CPU. Let me just take it out safely and do not drop. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me lift this up. There you go. Okay, so. Oh. So. Oh, it's in. Let me pull this latch down. Okay, it's in. Up next, the cooler. I went with Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition, the RGB, because it's quite affordable actually. It's something that nice enough, and I'm also going to overclock the CPU, so yeah, might as well just get a good cooler, right? Let me move to the side. And the cooler itself, just right in here. Oh wow. And what next? Oh, there you go, that's the instruction. The manual says I have to take out this piece right here. This one, bracket. So I have to use this side, it says AMD, right here. Oh, comes with thermal paste, nice. The hub, and the things that I need. So take these guys and these. I think they're in here. Are they in here? Is it here? Oh yeah, they're in here. So it says, wait, no, this is Intel. This is for Intel. Oh, okay, I'm wrong. My bad. There you go. AM4. Yeah. The back side, which is this one. Yeah, this one. And then clip it in. Oh, it just clips in. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rest. Now the last one. They're all in now. There you go. Time to put it at the back of the board. So I'm gonna unscrew these two brackets right here. Flip. Oh, okay, it's off. Take the back bracket. I'm gonna place behind. Line up the holes. There. Oh, I'm on AM4. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm on AM3. Okay, I'm on the right side. What? I think so. Yeah, I think it is. See, it fits like straight up. Yeah. Okay, so what's next? Apply thermal paste. So it's right there. Apply thermal paste. Wait, actually no. I have to install the standoff first. Standoff. Which are these. Wait, am I doing it right? Yeah, I am. I'm sorry guys. It's It's my first time building a PC, so I'm not so familiar with it. I did watch a lot of tutorials, you know, it helps. Okay, it's tightened down. Now time to apply thermal paste. I'm gonna apply a pea grain size thermal paste. I have to give it a bit more because AMD has a larger heat spreader, so might as well just put a bit more, right? There. Okay, so just peel it off. Now install brackets, which are these. Yep, these guys. Yeah, for AM4 socket. Install them upside down. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me remove the fan real quick. Easy. These screws. There, why is it not screwing down? Oh, it's these. Okay, okay. Let me move to the side. Now, what's the other one? Okay, it is done. Now, time to set it in. Why is it so smudgy? What the hell? I think I touched it. You know what? Let me go grab some alcohol and rub it on. I'm back. I got my alcohol. Okay, it is clean now. Time to install it. Cross pattern. Sit down slow. Is it in? I think it's in. Yeah, it's in. Lining? No. I think I can screw it down now. Now I gotta do crisscross pattern. Now on the other side. Okay, you know what? Let me back it off a bit. Okay, I'm having trouble with the cooler right now, and I'm not so sure what's going on, but I just can't fit it in. So I'll go diagnose it now. Okay, I'm back. So I found a problem actually. It's this thing. This one right here. Wait, let me autofocus. Come on, autofocus. It's working? No? Never mind. It's this one, because it's moved to AM3, which is right on top here. Then I switch it down here, which is AM4. So now I think it should be good now. I think so. Probably. Okay, CPU cooler installed. Now let me go and add the fan back. Actually, you know what? Let me get the RAM sticks. I go with quad channel for 8 gigs of RAM, rated at 3200 megahertz. I'm gonna use all of the channels. So open all up. It's only gonna go one way, so it's right here. Is it? Maybe is it in? Yup. Okay. Now click. It's in. Okay. So RAM's installed. Now I'm gonna officially add the fan. Now I hope that it won't have clearance issues, because if not, I'm gonna go with dual channel. So okay. Oh, okay, that is good. No clearance issues so far. Oh wow, look, no clearance issue. Look at it. Look, nice. Now I'm gonna plug the fan to the port itself. So this is the RGB and this is the fan. Wait, hold on. Let's consult the manual. Where's the manual? There it is. Oh, is it this one? Yeah, this one. Now, which one is which? I think this is the RGB and this is the fan itself. Okay, I think it's in. So let me tuck these wires inside and don't touch on the heatsink or else it's gonna burn. Okay, looks like everything is set. Now time to install it to the case. This is the case that I choose, Fractal design, Meshify C, because I want all of the airflow go into the CPU. I'm gonna install the motherboard to the case, but first I need to find the standoff, which is in here, in this box. These are the standoffs. Now I cannot over tight these or else they're gonna do the infinite spin, which is not good. So do it snug. Once it's snug, then move on to the next one. So standoff is installed. Now time to install IO shield. Okay, IO shield is in. Now time to install the motherboard. Line up the standoffs and the back IO shield. Okay, and everything is lined up. Now time to secure the motherboard down. Motherboard screws are all in. Now install the fans. For the fans, I chose Cooler Master's Masterfan MF120 addressable RGB, because I want to go full RGB with this build. Front fan is secured. Now I can set the fan back. Now I'm going to install two top fans and a rear fan. All 6 fans are installed. Now time to move on to the power supply. For the power supply, I chose Cooler Master MWE750 Gold, fully modular, and as you can see, before I put it in, I have to put the wires. Because of excessive wind noise from the footage, I have to cut out the entire thing. In the next clip, all of the cables will be connected to the power supply and installed to the case. Now that the power supply is in the case, I'm gonna do now is plug in most of the cables. Now that the things are connected, I'm gonna put the side panel on and the dust filters. Now that everything is on, we can move on to the GPU. For the graphics card, I chose the Palit 3060 Ti because it's an entry-level card and I don't have to pay extra for like an ROG Strix or Gigabyte Aorus. Plus, it's quite decent for the price. Now let's unbox and install it. Oh wait, I forgot to unscrew these two. Let me check which slot, number 2 and 3. Oh, it's in now. Now let me plug the PCIe and then we can turn it on. The last thing I need to do is screw down these screws. Installed, finish. Now the next thing is install the glass and then we can test it on. Now, time to turn it on. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh wow, okay. This is nice. This is nice. Well folks, there you have it. My PC build. It's finally done. Oh my god, it took me so long to get all of the parts. Well, it is done, complete. This works, this too works, and the front as well too. Let's finish off the build. There you go. It's finished. Yes. Finally, it's finished. Now the only thing left for this PC is download Windows and download drivers and games. And that's it pretty much. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the whole video. I put a lot of time and effort into making this. As for component goes, once I have the money, I can upgrade some of the parts. The power supply that you saw in this video is not what I'm using right now. I'm using the MSI MPG A750GF. The old power supply died when I turned it on the next time. It could be just manufacturing defect or something. I don't know. But anyways, like this video if you enjoyed, and also subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.